Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling, the steam warmers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire depth is about like a 22 inches and about like a 13.5 inches wide. For the overall height, it's about like a 9.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come with the two separate compartments, and when we look in the front, they have a switchers to adjust the level for the heat, and the power, the switcher right here to control the powers. And also the units using the standard 110 plug. So when we look in the side of the units, and they do have a ETL sanitation stickers on it. Behind of the units, they coming from there, and also have the details, cut sheets. And we can take a look closer to see the units details. As we can see, they do have two individual cabs on top when we opened it. Yeah, they do having the two separate space. So you can put a couple different things on top of it. For this tray, it's about like a 12 inches deep and the 9.5 inches wide. And the overall tall about like a 6 inches in total. The same size on the side one. And when we remove it, we can find some space at the bottoms. You can just make some waters right here. They give you levels right here to telling you the maximum the waters you can put. And the space for here is about like almost like a 19 and 3 inches long, and 12 and 1 inches wide. And the depth almost about like 6.5 inches deep. Thank you for watching this videos. It will be all demonstration about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.